All right, today we are going to continue on. We have the peanut butter sandwich here, and now we need some milk. So we are going to pour some milk into our glass. One of the suggestions that I like to make is that when you are working with a young child for pouring milk, you might want to have something a little smaller than this so that they can get their hands around it. Otherwise, they're going to be trying to use both hands and they're not going to be able to guide their spout or where the spout is over to the glass, and that's going to cause a problem. You might want to use a carton with a handle on it, but again, not as full and heavy as this is. When you're pouring, make sure your glass is steady on your counter. And when I pour, I like to put my finger over the edge of the glass so that I can feel when my liquid is getting towards the top. Also, there's some things that you can tell sometimes, especially with cold liquids. You can feel the liquid coming up as far as you'll feel the temperature change on the glass sometimes. But the other thing is when you're pouring, you can hear the change in the pitch of the liquid being poured in. So let's pay attention to that. Again, my index finger is over my glass. I'm holding my glass with my thumb and around with my other fingers, my middle finger, my ring finger, and my little finger. This glass might be too big for a little one, so you might need something smaller. Bringing the milk carton over. And you could hear the tonality change as the milk got closer to the top. So those are some basic techniques that you can use when you're pouring or teaching your child to pour. If you're going to use something like a coffee mug, then still bringing the finger over the lid of the coffee cup, and that you can definitely hear the change of the pitch is starting to change as it gets closer to the top. And I can feel the heat already before my finger touched it. So those are some techniques that you can use for pouring.